Hi there. Today's topic is the US Hex Map. Some of the popular examples from my Tableau public are here on the screen. Let's understand why we need a US style map in the first place. What you see on the screen is an actual filled map using sales by state. Now let's take the example of Rhode Island. The sales value is upwards of 22,000 and compare it with the sales of Montana, which is only at a mere 5,500 plus. States are sized differently. You knew that. But what it does, it naturally takes away the importance of the dollar value because of this geographical size implication. That's where the US style map comes in, or a US hex map comes in. Without taking away the geographical implication and at the same time not distracting the users with the mere size of the states, this is a happy middle ground. Now let's get into the build process of a hex map. I'm using a data source spreadsheet with rows, columns, names of the US states, and their abbreviation. I'm going to drop this data source into Tableau. Select my rows and columns, ensure that they are dimensions, and ensure they are continuous. Drag my rows to the rows, columns to the columns. Choose a shape. I have a custom shape available. I've named it Hex. If you need these files, DM me and I will share the details with you. Let's take the transparent hex shape, make it a bit bigger. Drop the abbreviation into label, center align. I can see my Hawaii is on the top and Alaska is at the bottom. Right click on the rows, edit axis, reverse. A bit of cleanup, format, lines, get rid of the zero lines, grid lines. Right click on the rows, uncheck show header, same for the columns. In a dashboard, drop the sheet. And there you have a US hex map.